In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Fibonacci retracement on Webull. Fibonacci retracement is a simple yet powerful tool traders use to estimate potential pullback areas within a trend. It automatically draws horizontal lines based on common retracement percentages like 23.6, 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 78.6, so you can quickly see where price might pause or reverse. Let's walk through how to set it up and get it on your chart step by step. First, open Webull and pull up the chart of the asset you want to analyze. Choose a time frame that matches your plan. Shorter time frames for intraday ideas, or daily and weekly charts for swing and long-term views. The accuracy of your retracement will depend on the data you're looking at, so it helps to zoom in enough to clearly see the recent highs and lows. Next, look near the chart's toolbar for the drawing tools icon. On many layouts, it appears as a small pencil near the top left of the chart area. If your layout is customized, it might be slightly shifted, but the pencil icon is what you're after. Click it to open the drawing tools menu. Inside that menu, you'll see a list of options that includes Fibonacci tools. Click on Fibonacci Retracement. Your cursor will now let you anchor the tool directly on the chart. Now, choose your start point and end point. Typically, in an uptrend, you begin at a recent swing low and drag up to the recent swing high. In a downtrend, you might do the opposite. Start at the swing high and drag down to the swing low. Click once at your start point, drag to your end point, and click again to place it. The horizontal retracement lines will appear automatically across your chart. If the lines don't align perfectly with the structure you had in mind, that's completely fine. You can adjust them after drawing. Simply click and drag either endpoint to fine-tune the range. As you move the anchors, the Fibonacci levels will update in real time, so you can dial in the exact swing points you want to measure. It often helps to zoom in around the wicks to be precise. A quick tip: be consistent with how you define swing highs and lows. Look for clear pivots where price changed direction. Also, consider the context of the overall trend. Retracements are most useful when they're drawn within a clear move. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, select the Fibonacci retracement tool from the pencil menu, place it from your chosen swing points, and adjust the anchors until it matches your analysis.